Premium pumpkin juice. Pure flavor, perfectly sealed for your enjoyment. Golden Gourd Premium Pumpkin Juice. Pure, vibrant, and crafted for you. This is farming on a whole new scale. Technology and nature working in harmony to bring you the perfect harvest. Precision logistics meets peak freshness. We track every pumpkin from field to crate, ensuring quality and efficiency, delivering peak freshness from the farm to your table. Our cold chain technology ensures quality at an exaggerated scale. Freshly harvested, efficiently delivered. The future of pumpkin juice is here.
Agri-Trans Logistics, receiving your raw materials with maximum efficiency every time.
High-pressure purified water jets remove soil and debris, guaranteeing a hyper-realistic clean for our premium pumpkins.
Advanced rinsing technology ensures every pumpkin is cleaned with a food-safe disinfectant for maximum freshness.
Harvested for perfection and cleaned with high-pressure precision, ensuring only the freshest pumpkins make it to your table. Sustainable solutions require advanced processing, diverting byproducts like these pumpkins into valuable resources. Welcome to the future of food preparation. Precision slicing, overseen by our expert team in a sterile environment. State-of-the-art technology tracks the flow of our finest pumpkin pulp, guaranteeing quality every step of the way.
We ensure the highest quality in our state-of-the-art facility, gently mixing until flawlessly smooth.
With precise control and advanced filtration, our scientists optimize the extraction process for the purest, most vibrant pumpkin juice, our signature pumpkin mixture, undergoing precise thermal processing in our state-of-the-art jacketed tanks. Pure, vibrant, and perfectly clarified. Experience the unmatched freshness of our pumpkin juice.
Our multi-layer membrane filters ensure the purest, most vibrant pumpkin juice.
Purity, color, consistency. Our laboratory standards ensure only the highest quality pumpkin juice makes it to you.
We harvest only the finest pumpkins, ensuring peak freshness in every drop.
Real-time data visualization provides actionable insights, ensuring seamless silo monitoring and optimized performance.
Utilizing advanced UV Pure technology, we guarantee a level of clean you can see.
Premium pumpkin juice. Pure flavor, perfectly sealed for your enjoyment.
Our state-of-the-art inspection tunnels scan every bottle for imperfections, ensuring only the highest quality product reaches you.
Automated squeeze tests and digital confirmations guarantee unparalleled quality in every bottle.
Our robotic verification stations ensure millimeter precision for every cap, guaranteeing perfect torque consistency every time. Batch numbers, expiration dates, traceability codes. Applied with precision and dried instantly. Our advanced cooling tunnels rapidly stabilize the adhesive bonds, ensuring perfect packaging every time. Introducing the next generation of automated palletizing, where precision meets power.
Real-time visibility across your entire inventory. We keep the world moving calmly and efficiently.
Revolutionize your logistics. Our autonomous AGV systems provide seamless, high-detail transport from storage directly to the loading docks. Introducing the future of industrial production. Hyper-realistic efficiency, powered by human innovation and smart technology.
Precision analysis,
Industrial scale.
ensuring the highest standard of quality in every drop of our vibrant pumpkin juice.
Measuring acidity, sugar content, and viscosity with unparalleled accuracy. Precision is key. In our sensory labs, experts guarantee the consistent, vibrant taste of our pumpkin juice. Digital certification terminals authorize immediate market release, ensuring quality and compliance with every approved batch. Meticulously sourced and cleaned, we ensure only the purest pumpkin seeds make it into our premium oil and snacks. Agents. The real-time data confirms a significant increase in energy efficiency across all sectors. Sunset or sunrise, the work continues. Efficiency on an unprecedented scale. Hyper-realistic logistics demand hyper-realistic cold chain solutions. Secure, precise, and flawlessly executed.
Automated precision locking, ensuring complete shipment integrity, confirmed and sealed.
Witness the synchronized power of progress. This is the future of industrial production. We have a minor delay on shipment 7. rerouting through the North Corridor. ETA remains unchanged.
This color grading really makes the orange pop against the matte black.
I agree. The high detail emphasizes the premium quality.
The viscosity is perfect, and the labeling detail is superb.
Perfection captured. We ensure the highest quality, from our factory to your table. Navigating complex international regulations requires precision. We ensure every export meets with real-time temperature visualization across 3D maps. We guarantee the safety and quality of your shipments worldwide, bringing the taste of autumn to the world with unparalleled speed and precision.
Delivering the world's commerce with unmatched scale and reliability.
Delivering peak freshness around the clock. Our cold chain logistics ensure your pumpkin juice arrives perfectly every time.
Experience the unmatched selection of Global Harvest pumpkin nectar, now available at World Mart. Taste the autumn.
Welcome to the pinnacle of hospitality, where every detail, down to the vibrant pumpkin juice, is crafted for your indulgence.
Look at this correlation. The pumpkin enzymes significantly increase cellular regeneration.
That confirms the hypothesis.
Introducing the next generation of cold press technology, engineered for peak nutritional output.
Optimizing transport routes in the south will significantly reduce logistics costs.
And this secures our long-term pricing stability for the next 3 seasons.
Agreed.
Welcome to the future of industrial training. Our hyper-realistic simulations prepare the next generation workforce for advanced automation. The future of automated maintenance is here. Precision engineered for maximum efficiency. Day or night, our global network ensures the freshest pumpkin juice arrives on time, every time.
This is delicious. So fresh.
I agree, it's incredibly smooth.
Definitely the best pumpkin juice I've tried.
Pure pumpkin juice, accurately labeled. Our commitment to transparency means verified nutrition in every bottle. Recognized globally for innovation, we are proud to set the standard for premium pumpkin juice worldwide.
The partnership is official. To a successful future for Aura Harvest.
Cheers!
Growth on an industrial scale. This is the future of the pumpkin juice factory.
Evolving from the farm to the future, we honor our heritage with every bottle we produce.
A vibrant pour of pure luxury. Golden goodness for the refined palate.
Precision quality assurance ensures every bottle meets our rigorous standards for global shipment. Dawn of a new era. Continuous production. Renewed commitment.
Our Golden Gourd pumpkin juice is crafted with precision, ensuring quality in every bottle.
Golden Gourd Premium Pumpkin Juice. Pure, vibrant, and crafted for you.